Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And what I have for you today is part of our summer Fizz or Float program. And we've been coming up with things for your kids to do this summer. They were primarily science related. Today it has a bit of an artistic bend to it instead. But we had purchased these things before the pandemic and we think they're so cute that we just want to get them out there so that people can have them. And we're actually doing them as packaged grab and goes. We have limited numbers, so first come, first serve. We also are saying that, these are not for real small kids because the parts are quite small, so they could possibly be a choking hazard for real small kids. So I would like them to be done by older kids and kept out of reach of real young kids because there are small parts involved. That being said, I think that you're going to like them. They're really fun. And they are fairy gardens, and we will have prepackaged kits for you to pick up. And we're going to start with a dish like this, and then we're going to put in some sheet moss. So I will be building these so that you can see what we put in each kit. And you don't need a lot of the sheet moss, but something like this, maybe a little more to fill in. And then we ordered all these, actually, we ordered some of these little parts like this, so you can see some little miniatures to put in your fairy garden. And they include things that look like this, little houses, these little things like this. Animals, like this little owl. We have all kinds of little guys here. Here's another owl. I think they're really cute. We have little picket fences. All kinds of little things will be in your kits that will really, here's a little tiny ladybug. And so that's what I mean about being very careful with where you put these and who you take them for. It should be age appropriate. So there's also some little baby bunnies. I want to show you these little baby bunnies. They're adorable, like this. And because these things are tiny and you have to place them in your fairy garden, our kit came with a tweezers. You might want to either purchase one, or if you have one, use a tweezer so that you can place the little things where you want them. We will start with, I have some of these big type things to go in the center. This one is like a little gnome house or a fairy house, you can see. And then you would put the other things around it, like a little fence. And I think you might have to have enough of the moss so that the little pieces stay put. Because when you place them, then they stay nicely if you put them in the moss. And I'm going to grab just a few things to illustrate. Oh, I have this, which has some nice messages, some sweet messages, happiness and sweet, it says. And of course, when you're moving it around, things might tip over, but once you set this somewhere stationary, it's going to be really cute. And if I could have found some little lights, like some battery operated white lights, I thought that would have been really cute, but I did not find those. Maybe you have them, maybe you know where to get them. I think that'd be really cute in these fairy gardens to have a little set of white lights. But ours will not have those in because I couldn't find any. Here's a little park bench. You could put that in there, and maybe you could put one of your little critters sitting on the park bench. Let's find somebody to go on our park bench. Oh, sure. Look at this little guy. I think that's a little mouse. Yeah, he can sit on the park bench. And he will be in our fairy garden. So I think you get the idea. We will have these kits with all these cute little pieces in them. And you can pick them up starting August 15th. Because I ordered some more parts and I'm waiting for them to come, but I should have them all by then. All right, I hope you enjoy putting together your fairy gardens. Stop by the Forestville Library during our open hours beginning August 15th until we run out. All right, happy summer. Happy Forestville Fizz and Float program. This is our last program for the summer and I hope you enjoyed it. But we will also be we will continue with the virtual story times and crafts as long as we're able, and we should have those coming up again in September. We do crafts a couple of times a month, so watch Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and you can access that from the Door County Library webpage. If you have any questions, give the Forestville Library a call. Thank you. Bye.